Hello and welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Fame Management Consultancy. In Fame Management Consultancy, we have more than 40 years experience in human resources management. We as Fame Management Consultancy are pleased to present to you our HR management system that has been fed with the latest and easiest methods and contains all requirements of HR management. Why to use Fame HR management? It reduces the number of employees and saves time and efforts, ease and smoothness of dealing with procedures and personnel files, reduces stationery costs.
Assalamu alaikum. I would like to explain how to use the FAME Human Resources System. The system is designed for the Human Resources Department. And the system can contain many organizations. If the owner has many organizations or many companies, he can control all of the companies in one system. And this is multi-organization. We have two types of users. The first one is the admin, who can see many functions in the system, and the normal employee, he has limited rights in the system. I will access the system now as admin. First of all, it appears this dashboard. It shows us how many divisions we have. I entered only 2 divisions, and how many jobs. We have 2 divisions and 5 employees according to these jobs. 40% of the employees are in the strategic affairs, and 60 are in the corporate support services. This dashboard, we can change it according to the needs of the organization. Because we develop the system, we can customize everything in the system. For that, we will go to the organization chart. The organization chart depends on the division, department, section, and jobs, and grades, and the employees. Here, if we go to the division, in the division, as I said, we have many organizations. If we go to the first organization, we have only 1 division. If we go to the second one, we have 2 divisions. And the same thing, if we go to the departments, we have to select first the company, and we select which division, and after there we can add department in Arabic and English. The same for the section, and also the same for the jobs. The jobs we don't have cascade. We can add the name of the job. We can see all these jobs. And also for the grades, we can see the grades. We can add the grade in Arabic and English. Also we can add employees. If we have a new employee, we can add him here. If we can see information about the old ones, we can click on it and change. We will see his data, his photo, and we can update his information if we need. There is many information. He's in the second company, in the division, and everything we can update it here for this user. And after that, we can go to the employees. If we see the employees here, we have a very good search engine, and it's a huge search engine. If we want to see, for example, all the employees in the second company, we can say search. We see all of them because I am working on the second company. Suppose that we have to go to the first company, search. We don't have any. Suppose that we have in the first company, search, and we can see if we want on the first company or only the Jordanians. For example, Jordan. Search. We have only 2. If I select one of them, I will see his information, and I can change his password, all this information. This is for them. Now, if I want to see the attachment for this guy, we can see here, we can see only his photo. We updated his photo. But if we want to insert another attachment, we can see anything. Maybe it's only a test. The test. And here we have to know which type of document. We can, for example, select anything, passport copy, or anything, work offer, and we see upload. Are you sure? Yes, upload. Okay, it's uploaded. Now we can see, if we want to see it, we can click here. We see the attachment. Okay, it's a letter, but okay, we can see also the photo of it. Yes, this is for the documents. The privileges, what we have for basic salary, housing allowances, the risk. Also, we can add anything needed here. We can update it. We can add more information. This is for the privileges. For the vacations, he applied for these vacations with the type of application vacations. Now we have his ID, his name, and that vacation type. We can add with this. There's here in the absence without excuse. The system automatically sent to the finance, telling them this guy has absent for 1 day or 2 days, and we can apply for it from date to date, and we can approve the vacation. When the employee apply for the vacation, the request goes to his manager. After approval of his manager, it will go to the HR department to approve it. This is for vacation. For disciplinaries, we can add if there's something wrong, we can add, and here the types of disciplinaries. Draw attention, first draw, and basically the color reduction or firing. And if there is some values we can add the date of the disciplinary. Also, so we can add some notes. This is for the disciplinaries. For medical insurance, yes, we can, here is his name. We can select the company. If we also, we can add many companies here, and the beneficiary, if wife or son or daughter, we can specify insurance date, expiry date, and any notes we can add it here, and the policy number here also. This is for, and also we can delete, we can edit if we want to click on it, and we can edit it. Medical insurance, end of service. If this guy we would like to end of his service, we can select the reason. If it's condition, penal service or something like this. All of these lookup tables we can change it according the needs of the company. End of service contract. Here, if it is the resignation, he has to submit why he submit his resignation. And after there, we can search according to this to enhance the employee satisfaction. For this, we can terminate him. Also, HR tasks. Here, if we can see the employee appraisal, if the the head or the write some employee appraisal, we can see this employee appraisal. Also, or we can approve vacation, as I said. As HR department, we can see a vacation. We can, for example, here said approve or reject for the HR. Or we can search for the current in vacation and export it to Excel sheet. This is for my task. I can, if I am a head and I have many employees in my section, I can select one and make an employee process for him. Also for professional satisfaction, if the user satisfied with his job, he can apply for these things. Here in the system we can generate end of service. I think something going over here, some data. Let's see another employee. We'll go up to see employees. Or Ahmed. Let's see Ahmed. Here Ahmed, he has full data. We can see his certificate. If we haven't hired, Are you sure? The employees terminated. You can see terminated. Download it. Maybe some data is not completed because it's a testing environment. Here with us, since as accountant, and we can add his certificate. This template we can change it because it's a testing. Yeah, and if you need some information, the user can write his name and email and the subject and send it to the HR department, and after that we will follow it. This is in general. The main thing, or the main advantage of it is a multi-org. You can control many organizations in one system, and also we can customize it as if the company needs more functions or more data to be added in the system. We are ready to update it as your need. Thank you very much.